Namaste and welcome to Ayurveda cooking class. Today we are preparing a simple yet nourishing coriander lemon soup. This soup is fantastic for boosting digestion and refreshing the body with its soothing and healing properties. Ayurveda teaches us to align our food with the natural elements of our body, and this soup does exactly that. It is packed with fresh natural ingredients that help with digestion, detoxification, and overall comfort. Let us start by talking about the Ayurvedic benefits of this soup. First up, it balances doshas. The cooling properties of coriander and lemon are perfect for calming excess heat and reducing heaviness, making it especially helpful for balancing pitta and kapha doshas. The combination of coriander, ginger, and garlics helps digestion by stimulating the agni or digestive fire, improving digestion and helping to alleviate bloating. Coriander and lemon also work together to detoxify the body, cleansing the liver and purifying the blood, which is excellent for flushing out toxins and promoting overall detoxification. Finally, the anti-inflammatory properties of coriander and lemon in the soup help soothe inflammation, calms digestive discomfort, and promote internal harmony. Now, let's get into the ingredients and preparation. Fresh coriander leaves, medium-sized carrot, garlic cloves, ginger, green peas, black pepper powder, rock salt, lemon, corn flour. Start by heating a thick bottomed pan over medium flame. Add 3 bowls of water to the pan. Let it warm up. While the water is heating, crush the 2 cloves of garlic and 1-inch piece of ginger together using a pestle and mortar. Once the water is hot, add this crushed mixture to the pan and let it boil for a few minutes to release all those wonderful flavors. Next, crush the 50 gram of green peas lightly and add them to the boiling water. Finally, chop half a medium-sized carrot and add that in as well. Let everything continue boiling together. Now, chop the 50 gram of fresh coriander leaves and add it to the pan. Let it simmer for a few more minutes so all the flavors blend together. Now, it's time to season. Add 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder and 1 teaspoon of rock salt. Salt can be adjusted as per the taste. Next, make the corn flour slurry by mixing half a bowl of corn flour with a little water. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons of this slurry into the soup mixture to thicken it and stir it well. Let the soup simmer for another 1 to 2 minutes to allow the flavors to meld and the soup to thicken up just the right amount. Once it is done, turn off the flame and squeeze a few drops of lemon juice into the soup. Stir it again to bring that fresh zing and balance the flavors. Now, transfer the soup into serving bowls and garnish with freshly chopped coriander leaves. Serve it hot, and there you have it, your simple healing coriander lemon soup. This soup is perfect for any season, but especially during colder months when your body craves warmth and comfort. Enjoy the nourishing and rejuvenating goodness. Thank you.